Hey there, YouTube. Cruising the land, coming at you with the bougiest, coolest upgrade you can do for any Land Cruiser. So a 40, a 60, a 70 series, an 80 series. So check it out. Do you have one of these old school, fat, flimsy, usually this comes apart, SunVisor? Well, mine is coming off. And if you look on eBay or Facebook Marketplace, not only are these expensive to get like true replacements, which is kind of good because you can sell yours, but they're usually in poor condition. Like they're not good. So you've seen my videos before. A replacement for your old dingy SunVisor is the Rosen visor. Same one used in jets and planes because they fly above the clouds. Sun is always in their way. So it's always been this size. So these guys take their packaging very seriously. That is the size of the Rosen visor that a lot of you have bought for your 80 series or 60 series or what have you for your Land Cruisers. And we'll look closely at how the hardware's changed. That is still available. So it's more of a thinner, low profile. This is the new one. Look at the box size difference, right? It's way bigger. Way bigger. So how much bigger? Let's put them side by side. That much bigger. This is like a medium pizza and this is like an extra large. So look at that difference. We'll put this one on top so you can kind of see how much more. That's perfectly on top. They're matching the top. Look at that. You're getting this much more visor. Tons more. So it just depends. Some people want something thin, just enough to cover the sun, but still have a clear windshield in front of them. Here, I mean, it's going to almost cover half your windshield. And look at the differences here. That is the old mount there. This is the new one. And just kind of how it all works. This is the old way. And this is to loosen and move your visor further towards the center of the vehicle if you want. And this one should be this way actually. So it's got that same feature, but it looks like new hardware here. Pretty cool. I think they improved it. This is slightly more expensive than the original. So this used to be $300, now they're $309. This is, I believe, $324. I'll double check. I'll put it in the description. So it's slightly more expensive, but for all that extra visor you get, I think it's worth that price increase easily. And I have a coupon that you get $15 off. So it's LC 4x4. So Land Cruiser 4x4. I'll give you the contact information. You give them a call. You go over the part number. So it'll be all in the description. Now, let's see what it looks like in the 60 series. And we are dealing with sun, but on purpose because I wanted to show you when it's a sunny day out. So here we are in, this is a right-hand drive, by the way, but you know, FJ60, 62. This is an HJ61, which means it's diesel. So there you go. Where's our nasty sun? Up there. Look how bright that is. And then look at that. Even on camera, you can see the difference. So that's the original. Let's swing over to the other side to take a look at the new one I installed on what is the passenger side of a Japanese Land Cruiser, but this would be your driver's side. All right, the moment of truth. Oh, and we get to do this. So I already did the other side because you have protection on both sides. Look at that. So look how much bigger that is. You know how they have typically the blue strip at the top of a windshield? So this is slightly bigger. This is a lot bigger. So when I'm sitting in the car, I can have it where it's, you know, over the hood, but of course you can tilt it if you want to, right? Tilts all the way up. So that's a cool feature. So that's another thing. Look how, when we tilt them up, look how bougie and clean that is. That's just like badass. It's like you got your Land Cruiser, a pair of Ray-Bans, you know, just so cool. So clean versus that big bulky upholstery carpet sagging, you know, old school sun visor that used to be there. So again, on this side, see that sun? Too bright, right? My camera probably struggling there. And look at that. So awesome. So you can have it up like this. You can have it down. If the sun's on your side, you can swing it around. You can tilt it to put it there. So many things. Definitely going to be one of the first comments your buddies have when they jump in your truck. They're going to be like, dude, that is so cool. So save 15 bucks. These never come on sale. There's never a Black Friday for these. This is just Rosen doing something cool where a lot of their pilot customers said, hey man, I'm a cool dude, I fly. So obviously I own a Land Cruiser. Can I get a visor from you guys? Now this will fit Bronco. This will fit, you know, vehicles that have like the 2 screws. You can see there. And by the way, I installed this in, I think, 1 minute. You just unscrew with a Phillips, and then they provide you new hardware. It's going to be a little longer because this is a little thicker and much better. It's not plastic like the Land Cruiser housing here to screw in to place it. Look how cool that is. And like I said, this can loosen to slide it, but I don't really need to slide it. I'm hitting my altimeter in the middle of the truck. But if you don't have one of these, yeah, you can slide this way over like this whole distance. But this is all like anodized aluminum. This is metal, guys. There's not one piece of plastic on here. I think even the knob, maybe the knob's plastic. Yeah, that might not be metal. But this thing is just built high quality, like you're flying a jet. Let's go look at it. I have it on my 80 series. Let's see what it looks like down. I should have shown you the picture. So I drove around with my wife. She always puts the sun visor down, so she's gonna love these. So you had a great big beige, ugly sun visor when you were looking at the car. Now look at that. Pretty cool. I have not tried it on the 200 series yet. You know, the sun visors in the 200 series, they don't get all boggy and saggy and what have you. 70 series, that's what's underneath the cover. This covers off temporarily for this. 40 series, that's the green machine. So I do sell these covers, by the way. So in gray and black, it'll cover a 40 series that's built with a tire on the back, huge bumper. It'll cover this truck as well. It'll cover the 70 series. It'll cover the 60 series. So they're a little bit oversized for people that have a roof rack and gear. So all that stuff on my rig gets covered. All right, so I have the original standard size in here, but look how clean that is. You know, when you look at your 80 series or your 60 series, how bulky and ugly that mirror is. When you take it out, you get so much more new headspace. It's like you just enlarge the interior when you upgrade to the Rosen. So there you go. That's my sun visor. The other one is going to go further out to the middle mirror, and it's going to dip down and come deeper. So you can still get this size. You can still, so that'll be the first link I'll have. I'll just call it the slim visor, and the new larger visor also is available. Look how clean that is, guys. This to me is one badass upgrade. Like I'd expect to see this in a high-end luxury car in 2026, and you can put this in your 30-year-old car or older. All right, so there you have it. Pretty cool. Yes, I have a Range Rover because I had too much reliability with these. I figured it's time to have some punishment and have a vehicle at the shop often, as Range Rovers do. But there you go. Link will be in the bottom. You'll save 15 bucks. That's the only discount they ever do, and they do it because I asked them, hey, if I share this to my fellow Land Cruiser owners, can you give them a deal? So information, where to call, the model number be in the description. Go get you one and make your vehicle bougie. All right, thanks for tuning in. We'll catch you on the next one.